Assalamu friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing well. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Today our topic is preposition. I am going to present another preposition which is with. Now what is with? It is a preposition with us right now, but I want to know, I want to explain it, and I want to know that what does it mean, where to use it, how to use it, and what is the usage of it, right? So see, with is a preposition. According to the grammar, it is a preposition. With क्या है? With grammar के लिहाज से ये हमारे पास एक preposition है. Is this clear? Now it has two usages. It has two usages. So see the first one. With is used before installments or source. With is used before installments or source. Now what is installments? Installments means tools, right? Tools. So see, पहली इस्तेमालात क्या है? इसकी दो इस्तेमालात है. So the first one, see, with is used before installment or sources. with जो है हम installments का मतलब है साजो सामान से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ठीक है? So see the example. She writes with a pen. She writes with a pen. She writes with a pen. As we said that with is used before installment. So see, we used here with a, and this is a pen. A pen is an installment or source with us, right? So we used with before installment. Is this clear? Now what does this sentence means? What does this example mean? This example means that pen is installment. It is an installment for writing. For what? For writing. We write, she writes with a pen. Now what is this pen? This pen is an installment or source. Is this clear? It is an installment with us, pen. So it is an installment for writing. Is this clear? इस एग्जांपल का क्या मतलब है? She writes with a pen. She writes with a pen. जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को कहा कि हम with before मतलब पहले, साजो सामान से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ये पेन जो है हमारे पास एक साजो सामान है, मतलब एक जरिया है. किस चीज़ का जरिया है? लिखने का जरिया है. तो हम with उससे पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. किससे पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं? इस लिखने वाले जरिया से हम पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Is this clear? See another example. We see with eyes. We see with eyes. Now what does this example mean? This example means that eyes are sources for seeing. Eyes are sourcing it or source, right? Eyes are source for seeing. For what? For seeing. This is a verb with us, right? So eyes are source or installment with us for seeing. We see with eyes, right? So this is installment or source for us. Is this clear, guys? उर्दू में इसका क्या मतलब है? We see with eyes. Eyes है, ये हमारे पास देखने का जरिया है. किस चीज़ का जरिया है? देखने का. हम eyes मतलब आंखों से देखते हैं. तो हम with इस्तेमाल करते हैं eyes से पहले. eyes हमारे पास एक चीज़ है, मतलब साजो सामान है. किस चीज़ का जरिया है? देखने का जरिया है. Is this clear, guys? Now see the second usage. With is also used to mean together. With is also used to mean together. What does it mean? It means that whenever we have two things together, right? So then we can use with. Is this clear? With का दूसरी इस्तेमालात क्या है? With is also used to mean together. इसकी दूसरी इस्तेमालात यह है कि इसका मतलब है कि साथ होना. क्या के साथ होना. Is this clear, guys? See the example. I take tea with biscuits. I take tea with biscuits. What does this example mean? This example means that we mean together, right? Tea and biscuit. This is together, right? We are taking both of them together. Is this clear? So with the help of with, we can say that I take tea with biscuits. Is this clear? It means that I am taking tea as well as eating biscuits. Is this clear? In Urdu, I take tea with biscuit. इस सेंटेंस का क्या मतलब है? इस सेंटेंस का मतलब ये है कि मैं चाय के साथ साथ बिस्किट भी खा रहा हूँ. चाय के साथ साथ बिस्किट भी खा रहा हूँ. Is this clear, guys? So this was the end of video. Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it right now and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.